Hey everybody, welcome back. Before I get started, I just wanted to say if you like the video, please give the video a like and the channel a subscribe. It means a lot and I appreciate it. So today, I just wanted to make a quick video before Scimandan did, because let's be honest, he covers this guy as often as I cover Hans Wormhat, and I know this video is being produced right now as we speak on Scimandan's NASA headquarters computer. So I had to get out in front of that. Chris, CC from New York, Westchester County. He's been doing a little private investigating and keeping tabs on those evil school districts and what they're up to during the spring quarantine that the kids are on. Now he has no idea what they're doing, but what he lacks in information and brains and common sense and literally everything, he makes up for tenfold in paranoid, schizophrenic theories. Now, I don't know if there's ever been anything revealed like the communication between Nathan Oakley and Sleeping Warrior, talking about how if you talk about this and or that, you're going to prove the globe, which is bad for us because they're Poes. So I don't know if this guy's a Poe or not. But this video is literally what I imagine it would be like if Saturday Night Live met Flat Earth. Like, it's really, really bad. I mean, comically, like, I don't even know. It's almost like he's giving himself an out where, you know, once the heat and ridicule get too bad, he can be like, oh, clearly it was a joke. I mean, look at my videos. They're just obviously a joke. And he'd be right. Like, that's a good out for him, because this video is, you're about to see how absolutely, utterly idiotic this guy is. Anyway, let's catch up with Chris in his car and see what information he's got on those evil school districts and their nefarious plans for our kids.
Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris, from New York, Westchester County.
No one cares what county you're from, Chris.
I was saying to myself, please, please, please don't make this be true.
You woke up and you're still yourself? Yeah, that sucks, man.
But I knew they were up to something.
Those bastards.
I knew this whole carnivore virus was complete coronavirus is complete bullshit. Okay? I'm not saying the virus itself doesn't exist. People are probably getting sick.
Yeah, probably by the thousands.
All right? Look, we're in flu season right now. That's it, bottom line.
Oh, well, never mind then. Quarantine's over, everybody. Dr. Chris said it's just the flu season. Yeah, flu season. It's fine. It's flu season.
Let's see here. That's the mailman. Okay.
And clearly, he can't be trusted.
Hey, how you doing, guy? What's up? Good to see you. Here we are in front of one of the high schools in Yonkers, New York. And what do I see? I'll tell you what I see.
Nathan Thompson?
Now, I can't go in there because I'll get in trouble.
Like Nathan Thompson?
So I'm going to have to park in front of this person's house. Just for a minute. This is what I see. White vans right in front of the high school.
Oh no!
I can't tell what the detail is on these vans because my zoom sucks. Something why I can't really see. When I get home, I'll unmarked.
Unmarked? First, he's talking about how he can't see the logo on the side of the van, and now they're unmarked.
There are plates on here, but these weren't here yesterday because I came by here. These white vans were not here yesterday. What are they doing now? What are they doing now? They're fixing a septic tank? Yeah, my ass.
So what if they are? You got something against them fixing the schools, Chris? Why assume it's nefarious? Why not assume they're, disinfecting the school while the kids aren't there? What about maybe they're delivering lunches because they're still doing the program that provides lunch for low-income kids? Nah, it's probably something nefarious, I'm sure, right?
My ass, folks. So this is school number 1. I'll be hitting them throughout the day. And they're hard to get to because a lot of these schools are like blocked off. This is a one-way street basically with
A double yellow lined one-way street where cars go in both directions. You guys have some weird streets in New York.
a lot of traffic on it, as you can see.
Wait, now there's a lot of traffic? I thought they were blocked off and hard to get to.
But, you know what you're up to, guys. We're not going to tolerate it. We're going to expose you. And we're going to tell everybody what you're doing. And the only way we can
is to figure out what they're doing.
Is to put it on YouTube. So, I hope you're watching, and I hope you see that what they're doing here is setting up a 5G network, possibly. Not 100% sure if it's 5G. Could be anything.
Wait a minute. I thought you knew what they were doing. Now you don't know what they're doing? How are you going to expose them? Let's say, just for argument's sake, it is a 5G network. Which companies would be putting in a 5G evil devil network? Let's compare their logos and see which dastardly company is frying our kids' brains. Is it Verizon? Nope. Is it AT&T? Nope. Is it T-Mobile? Nope. Is it Cricket? Nope. How about Metro PCS? Nope. Wait a minute. Let's see. White vans parked in front of a school. Do I? Yeah, I had an idea. Let's see. What school district is that? Oh, look at that. It's the school district's logo. They're putting their own vans outside of their own schools? Those evil bastards.
All right, but they're here. They closed the system. They've closed the school system for something.
Yeah, that something is an incredibly contagious virus.
They're definitely up to something.
Those bastards.
And I'm sorry to report it to you, but this is here. Right here in New York. Christ. I thank you for subbing. I thank you for viewing my videos and let me be a part of your life.
All right, I guess Chris has this all on lockdown. He's definitely figured out exactly what they're doing outside of that school. And he's going to expose them. And hopefully the world on YouTube gets behind him, because this is some deep stuff. I don't know what he does for a living, but I think CNN or Fox or somebody should definitely pick him up as an anchor or as a reporter, because this is quality stuff. Quality stuff. Anyway, if you like the video, you'd like to see more, give the video a like, give the channel a subscribe, and come back next time. And as always, stay safe out there. You never know. It's crazy times, so stay safe, people. See you later.